Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Thursday afternoon, and I am live here at Aroma Thyme, coming to you with a cocktail of the day, a maple margarita. So stay tuned for the recipe for a maple margarita. I thought that sounded really cool. Hello. Give everybody a minute to join in. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. It is snowing here in Ellenville. I believe it's snowing all around us. I went out for a 3-mile walk earlier, and it was very rare, very light snow. Thank you everybody for joining me. I see lots of people joining, so hello. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay, and drop me a comment. How much snow are you getting? Hope everybody is staying safe. We are opening tonight at Aroma Thyme. I have had several calls, several reservations. So we are open tonight. If you are coming out, please be very careful while driving. We have takeout available as well. So if you want to come pick up takeout, take it home, and then be home, that is great as well. So our $9.99 special this week is a pulled pork sandwich. That's takeout only. And our vegan takeout only special for $9.99 is two vegan bratwursts to go. That is available. And then tonight is our burger night. So $9.99 burgers to go. We have our chickpea burger and our regular burgers. So that's all to go. We have our regular menu available. You can pick up some groceries. You can grab a bottle of wine, take it home with you. The only thing with grabbing wine or liquor is that you have to get food as well. That is the New York State law. And we added a couple of specials onto our regular daily specials. We have a bacon fig pizza with mozzarella, and it is topped with an arugula salad. And then we have a braised pork shank with creamy polenta. So it's braised in red wine and figs. So that's available tonight as well. Those are not our $9.99 specials, but those are on our menu, so you can take that home. You can come in, you can sit down. I definitely recommend reservations, especially tonight. It looks like we are going to be busy, so please make sure if you plan on coming and driving here that you call and make reservations. If you are planning on driving, please be careful. I'm not encouraging it, but we are open. So, that is always an option. Takeout is an option as well. We're open all weekend. Tomorrow we open at 5. And Saturday and Sunday we open at 3. So let's see. I am going to make a maple margarita. So I am going to add a little bit of maple syrup. So about a half an ounce of maple syrup, about an ounce of lime juice. I'm going to add about an ounce of orange juice. So we use Natalie's organic orange juice here. So about an ounce of orange juice. And I am going to add 2 ounces of the Pueblo Vieja tequila. That's what we use in our margaritas here at Aroma Thyme. Ooh, it's not coming out very well. That's it. 4 simple ingredients: tequila, orange juice, maple syrup, and lime juice. I like my margaritas on the rocks and with salt, so I am going to salt my rim of my glass. I'm gonna add ice in here. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. You're staying safe out there. How much snow are you getting where you are? If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live. I like to know kind of who's watching. So if you are watching me, so orange juice, tequila, maple syrup, and lime juice in this awesomely delicious maple margarita. Well, that's an interesting. That's very good. Hello, Meredith. Hello, Aletha. Hello, Kate. Hello, Lorraine. I saw Susan on. So some upcoming events here at Aroma Thyme. Next Monday, the 22nd, we have our wine dinner. It's $25 a person, 4 wines and a dish. That is next Monday. Starts at 6:30. We also still have 4 seats left for our wine trip to the Finger Lakes, to Keuka Lake. And that is March 19th through the 21st. If you are interested in any details, go to VIPwineryvacations.com. I believe Marcus has a play-by-play, day-by-day itinerary up. He's standing here. I don't know if he wants to taste a margarita.
Is today National Margarita Day?
I don't know. I read it was National Margarita Day, but I don't know.
So maple margarita.
Maple margarita. 4 simple ingredients: tequila, orange juice, lime juice, and maple syrup. It's kind of interesting and good. Hello, Melissa. Hello, Meredith. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. I actually have to run today. I have a call for catering at 4:30, so I need to get on that call here in a few minutes and talk to somebody about catering their wedding. Those of you that don't know, Marcus and I do catering of weddings as well. If you need to look at our grocery list, go to aromathymebistro.com. Click the link on the Thyme, the Aroma Thyme Direct, and our groceries are all on there. And halibut is back. Very limited though. We only have a little bit left. We've actually sold a lot of halibut. So we do have halibut back in stock. And we brought back some wines from the Finger Lakes a few weeks ago. So those are on our shelves. We got Mackenzie Rye on the shelves, bootlegger bourbon, some other cool things on the shelves as well. So that is it. Cheers to everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome day. And I will catch you tomorrow for my Facebook Live. Talk to you then. Bye.